Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on low power mode for your iPhone. So in low power mode, this is going to restrict your phone on certain processes so that it doesn't occupy too much power. And this way your battery will last longer. Now with low power mode, your phone is going to be a little bit slower, but if you're running out of battery or you're going to have a long day and you're not going to be able to charge your iPhone's battery, this is a good option. So there's two ways to do this. The first way, which is the simplest one, you're just going to swipe down from the right corner of your screen like so that you can see the control panel. Now right here you can see this icon representing a battery. Just click on it once. As you can see, it says there low power mode, and right here on the top right you can see the battery is color yellow, so that represents that it's on low power mode. Now you can also if you want to go back to normal mode, just click on it again and you're in normal mode. Now we're going to check out the second way. Let's go back to our home screen by swiping up from the bottom of our screen like so. And now we're going to go to settings. In my case, you can see the settings icon right here, but if you have trouble finding it, just swipe down from the middle of your screen like so, type in settings, and the settings icon is going to appear right here. So just click on it once. Okay, now we're going to find the battery section. As you can see, it's right here. Just click on it once, and you can see the first option is right there, low power mode. Just click right there, and as you can see on the top right, the battery has turned yellow, indicating that you are now in low power mode. And the same way you can also turn it off. Just click on it once again, and as you can see, the top right, the battery has turned black, which is indicating that it's on normal mode. And then if you want to go back to your home screen, just swipe up from the bottom of your screen like so, and you're good to go. So I hope this helps, guys. Please stay tuned for more videos. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.